how to turn off or on auto approve reviews on your store on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First, open your browser and now click settings, and then once you're here, click display, and here we'll find this one here, auto approve reviews. Now you can turn it on or off just by one click. If you want to enable it, turn it on and then save, and you can disable it again, just go to display, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.